Today we are going to discuss about Gentaplex Capsule. Gentaplex Capsule contain two active ingredient. The lyophilized fish roe is obtained from a species of sturgeon. The dry powdered extract is standardized to include flavonoid glycosides and terpenes. Ginkgo biloba extract is collected from the dried green leaves of the plant. Now uses of Gentaplex Capsule. Gentaplex has a triple effect on sexual activity, restores libido, enhances erection and increases frequency of sexual intercourse. Gentaplex treats the root cause of erectile dysfunction, deficient libido. Note: Gentaplex is characterized by its long-lasting effect and does not require a dose immediately before intercourse. It's beneficial for individuals who are having sexual issues due to stress, aging, and mood issues, as well as illnesses like diabetes, high cholesterol, and blood pressure. Dose of Gentaplex Capsule: 1 capsule 3 times daily after meals from 1 up to 3 months, followed by long-term once daily. Dose: consult your physician. In average, most cases feel improvement in sexual activity within 4 to 6 weeks. In some cases, the patient may need 8 up to 12 weeks till improvement. Gentaplex is easy to use and safe for long-term use. Gentaplex is safe for cardiac patients and those on nitrates therapy. Unlike other products. What's libido? Libido is a term that is commonly used to describe sexual drive or a desire for sexual activity. The World Health Organization (WHO) states that sexual health is a state of physical, emotional, mental, and social well-being in relation to sexuality.